You're probably wondering why I'm standing outside with a Zebra printer and my laptop. In this video, I want to show you just how simple it is to set up a Zebra EU-RED compliant printer. In fact, it's so simple, you can do it outside without an internet connection. Introducing Nucleus Connector for Windows. EU-RED has introduced new regulations for devices with wireless radios, which includes Zebra's printer portfolio. Nucleus Connector for Windows is our next generation printer setup utilities, which will now feature the EU-RED setup wizard embedded seamlessly into the printer setup process. Once you have downloaded Nucleus Connector for Windows onto your PC, you'll be able to start connecting your Zebra printer. Select the printer communication method to find your printer, and Nucleus Connector will establish the connection. If an EU-RED compliant printer has been connected for the first time, a pop-up message will appear stating that the printer is in protected mode. Pressing Adjust Settings will start this setup process. A wizard will begin allowing you to input details such as your protected mode password and customize your security settings. Enter your details, press Apply Settings, and the EU-RED setup is complete. It's as simple as that. To make setup even quicker, Nucleus Connector will give you the option to save the security configuration for future printer deployments, making larger printer rollouts as quick as possible. Nucleus Connector is also available as an app for iOS and Android, giving you a range of setup methods. For more information on Nucleus Connector, please visit our dedicated Zebra.com webpage.